अरे वाह! Oh my god! Has anyone ever cheated on you? This person, which planet are you from? पूरा इंटरनेट को पता है इसके बारे में, आपको कैसे नहीं पता? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I posted a story a few weeks ago asking all of y'all about your bad experiences in a relationship, and the responses I got was insane. So this is my first video and I'm just so excited for this because it's a way for me to connect better with each one of you. So first we have, I'm 18 and never dated anyone. Give me some inside info. One thing I would like to tell not just you but everyone is that before you get into a relationship, make sure that you are ready. Sometimes you may feel like, yeah, like I feel a little lonely.
You know, I wish I had someone to talk to.
Girl, you have your best friend for that. Why do you need a man who isn't even gonna stick around for that long? Nah, not happening. So be ready for it. See, romanticizing and having a vision of having a boyfriend, like the thought of it is beautiful. I'm not even lying. मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. But having a boyfriend in reality is a lot of work. So what I want you to do truly is I focus on yourself, because when you get into a relationship now, your entire brain, your entire world will revolve around the person you're dating. This is something that I was applying on myself until I came across that man.
So embarrassing.
And then I just was like, oh my god, what am I doing in life? Because my entire world was revolving around that person. So we don't want that to happen. So what I want you all to do is that I want you all to balance. Because when you balance, it's like you are thinking about yourself, you're thinking about your life, and that person is just there to help you grow. Okay, that person is a part of your life. क्योंकि फिर एंड में तुम क्लाउन रह जाओगे, because after they leave you, you'll have nothing to do in life. You'll be like, oh shit, this person left me. Now what do I do? What am I? What is my identity?
Seriously, who am I?
Hello.
No. Just respect yourself enough. Value yourself enough. You know, you fall for someone so deeply. You start thinking about them so much. You enjoy spending time with them. But that does not mean that you don't have time for yourself. So I would suggest you, if you are dating, take out some time for yourself. You know, if you like to paint. You can paint with your partner as well. That's a beautiful way to connect with each other.
Do you get deja vu?
Yeah. Flashback आ जाता है मतलब बात करते करते. Like I used to not paint, I used to sketch. Okay. Next one. How to get out of a situationship? Firstly, ask him straight up. Go to him. Be like, bro, is this going anywhere? And then they'll be like, yeah. I mean, I like to go with the flow. Not the flow. Is it like, are we gonna date? And he'll be like, yeah, we will. No, are we gonna date right now? Are we gonna start dating right now? Ask him this. Ask the dude. Just hold his no, don't hold his collar. That's like a little too aggressive. I don't support that. If the guy says,
It's too soon. You know, I like how things are going. Can we go with the flow?
just pick up your bags and run. Because a man who truly loves you, get this straight, who truly loves you, wants you, will waste no time and will make you his. Okay, my boyfriend cheated on me twice because he was insecure that I was popular, justified. When a guy pulls a girl who's out of his league, he thinks he has achieved everything in life and he wants to achieve more. But like gambling में, let's say you're winning, let's say you won like 80,000 rupees for example, and then you are like कि मैं अगर पूरा 80,000 डाल दूँगी तो मुझे let's say 4 लाख रुपए मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है, if you win. तो you put the entire 80,000 कॉन्फिडेंस में कि हाँ मिल जाएगा, कितना ज़्यादा मिलेगा, ठीक है, 80 से 4 लाख मिलेगा. कभी कभी ना हार जाते हैं लोग. इतने मेहनत से जो 80 कमाया भी था गैम्बलिंग में, गैम्बलिंग आई डोंट सपोर्ट, एग्जाम्पल दे दी हूँ, गैम्बलिंग से जो कमाया था वो भी चले जाएगा क्योंकि दिस इज़ ग्रीडीनेस डार्लिंग. अब ये जो पॉपुलर बंदी है जो उस इनसिक्योर लड़के के साथ पता नहीं क्यों है बट है, yes, girl, you should leave him because if he is going behind other girls, he's cheating जैसे तूने यहाँ पे लिखा है, तो he'll lose you also. So what I'm saying is that these guys, they think that if they pulled you, they can pull anyone, and you are the reason why they think that you are giving them that ego boost. नहीं देना है. Leave him right now, please. I feel like at this point ना मुझे ना अकेले ऐसा सबको ना individually message भेजना पड़ेगा. Leave your boyfriend, leave your cheating boyfriend, leave that insecure man. Sometimes it's like, you know, when a guy is insecure now about you, like about himself, तो वो क्या करता है पता है, वो तुम्हारी लाइट को ना डिम करने की कोशिश करता है. हाँ, just because I told his friend about his cheating thing, he said लड़के तो cheat कर ही सकते हैं.
That doesn't make sense.
ये कौन से डिक्शनरी में लिखा था मुझे बताओ. Just because you're a guy, you have the liberty to cheat. Genuinely कहाँ लिखा है ये? Tell me. Oh my god, which reminded me something. So I was talking to someone's best friend, guy best friend. मैंने उसको बोला कि you know, how can he do this to me? You know, he knows very well whatever he's doing, going around doing shit with other girls is hurting me. He knows that very well. Why is he still doing? कि why is he still hurting me if he says that he cares about me? पता है उसने क्या रिप्लाई दिया उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने?
वो तो पॉपुलर है, उसके पास तो लड़कियों की लाइन लगी हुई है. ही इज सो फेमस.
What makes you think that he's gonna stick to one girl?
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Just because someone is famous, someone is popular, he is not gonna stick to one girl. Like तुम कहाँ से लाते हो ये सब logic? Okay, how do I be more? Just stay under my influence. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. Okay, we have one more. My ex cheated on me with my best friend and sent me the pictures saying got something better. यहाँ पर किसे ब्लेम करना है? आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को कि आपके बॉयफ्रेंड को? किसी को नहीं, आपको ब्लेम करेंगे. ये क्या था, ये क्या है भाई? मैं होती ना, मैं लिटरली जाती स्पोर्ट्स वाले स्टोर पे जाती, वहाँ से ना मैं ना बेसबॉल बैट खरीदती और दोनों को मारती उससे. एंड दी ओडासिटी, फर्स्टली टेल मी, ये मार्केट में ओडासिटी बिकती है क्या? हाँ, how are men nowadays having so much audacity? Is it bad if I stayed in a relationship even though the guy never complimented me, shouted at me? तो he used to never compliment you, वो तेरे पे चिल्लाता था. It is bad, darling, तुम्हें क्यों समझ नहीं आ रहा ये कितना गलत है? I've realized this, ठीक है? तो मैं तुम लोग को भी realize कराना चाहती हूँ. Don't date a guy unless he's like so obsessed with you that he'll just worship the ground you walk on. अब देखना कोई लड़के आके ना मेरे कमेंट्स में ऐसा करेंगे हरकतें कि ये नहीं वो नहीं, ये क्या बोल रही है, ये क्या बोल रही है. अरे चुप हो जाओ, निकलो यहाँ से. And he used to never compliment you, he used to shout at you for what? For looking gorgeous? ये तो insecure लड़के करते हैं. Is your boyfriend insecure? No, but genuinely, you girls need to realize your worth. Why are y'all letting guys treat you so shittily, and how are y'all allowing them to get away with it? Because if they can do this pathetic shit to you, just know that they're gonna do the same thing to the next girl. All these vulnerable girls who are very naive, who are very loving, and I just want them to be smart with their choices and not make the mistake that I've made. Okay? Because I'm genuinely trying to look out for all of you all. I don't know any of you personally, but I wish I had someone guiding me this way, someone explaining me all of this, which is why I want to be that person for y'all. Okay, I think that's it, guys. There are so many more and they are very long, so I couldn't cover them in this video. But if this video ka response is well, I might make a part 2 for it. So I'll be seeing you all. I keep doing all of this on my account, so if you all want me to answer your questions or talk about your suggestions or whatever, go ahead and fill that. Okay? I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.